Hello and welcome to Michael's Homes HD, Prince Edward Island's #1 source for high-definition real estate video. Good day everybody, Michael Posnick here, Century 21 Northumberland, your high-definition real estate agent, coming to you from the Hebrides. Today we're looking at a rather rustic waterfront cottage, probably on one of the best lots in the entire subdivision. It is the furthest lot from the main entrance, which gives you complete privacy. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the Hebrides. We're just coming up to the cottage on the right-hand side. And this would be 352. Right there. Just a quick pan from the right to the left. That's where I parked in the back there. And a view of the waterfront side of the cottage and deck. This is a shot right from the bank. As you can see, it's all been reinforced against erosion. It's not an inexpensive thing to do. Just a quick panoramic view here. There's a lighthouse in the background. Got a nice red sandy beach. Sand dunes, or narrows, and then just looking directly out onto the north shore. Another quick view of the back of the cottage, deck, and the road. Right from the deck, you can watch the fishing boats come in. Here's a quick view of the kitchen, and that would have been the door I just came in from the side. Again, the entrance door, you got a washing machine, oven, microwave, and like a main gathering area here, just across the counter from the kitchen. This would be the master bedroom, just behind the kitchen, which contains its own ensuite, toilet, and sink. The main bathroom right off the main room here, complete with bathtub and shower head. This would be the second and last bedroom. So that's it for 352 Hebrides Lane. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please make sure you subscribe to my weekly newsletter at michaelshomes.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel at michaelshd.com. Thank you, have a great day, and remember to buy it right.
Hi there, Michael. I love your videos. You demand, boy, you demand.